Okay, here's the triple gauge pod that I installed. It's a right-hand drive universal setup. I used the charcoal gray interior spray paint to color match it to pillar. And then I'll just take that pillar tomorrow and I'll paint that one the same color gray so that way it matches up. The gray matches with the dash really well. So it goes up, and there's just a little bit of a change there. But they were a little bit darker color anyway. So it's a right-hand drive universal setup. The this side of the gauge pod, I was able just to line it up with the way that the trim had actually left a line on there. So I lined it up there so the trim pops back on really well. And up on the top, it seals up pretty close. There's just a tiny gap there, but I mean literally you can only see it if you're sitting in the car and directly looking at it. And then just a little bit one at the bottom as well, but again it's something that you have to be looking at. Now I did have to trim up the edges of it. So to get right here, you can see right along there, I did trim up those sections. See if I can zoom in a little bit there. So you can see it's bolted up, and then I got it bolted in there really good. And then the side of the pillar, I just went and took and cut it up so it was flush with the pillar trim. It stuck out maybe 1/4 of an inch on one, and it angled inward. So just cut it up and filed it. And then again, like I said, I spray painted it with the charcoal gray interior paint for vinyl and fabric. So I think it turned out pretty well. Right now that's my boost gauge and controller. Now I have the oil pressure and a voltmeter coming. It's just three gauges I'll run for now. Later on I'll add a couple more.